Okay, you can see like the one we didn't do, this one here is rounded down pretty good. So I'm going to use my sanding disc on this for right now and smooth it down and then see where we stand. I'm going to stop with that one for a while. And that's looking more like how I want it. So now we're going to work on this side here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like on the video. I would appreciate it. So you get the idea of what we're doing here. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.